Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now, let me introduce myself. My name is Nurul. I'm from class 3rd B. Now, I want to explain you about the material under the title Language Acquisition Process. Before going to the explanation, I want to tell you what the formulation of the problem that I will discuss. The formulation of the problem that there are four. For the first is what is meant by language acquisition process. So the second is how the process of language acquisition in humans or children. What meant by first language and second language. For the fourth is what are the factors that influence the language acquisition process. Okay, we are going to the explanation. First is what the meaning of language acquisition process. Krasen Institute 2008 defines language acquisition as the product of a subconscious, very similar to the process children undergo when they acquire their first language. In other words, language acquisition of how someone can speak language or the children acquire their first language. Example, the children that acquire language in Indonesian language or Sundanese language. Acquire language, not aware that they are acquire language, but acquire language only aware that they are using language to communicate. So, the second is about how the process of language acquisition in humans or children. Following empirical research, there are two main theories about how someone acquires their first language, which are being discussed among researchers. For the first theory is nativist theory. In this theory mentioned that humans acquire language naturally. This theory known as nativist theory. Second is learning theory. This theory mentioned that humans acquire first language through a learning process. This theory known as learning theory. So, for the third is about what the means by first language and second language. First language acquisition occurs if a child has never learned any language and then acquire language. Meanwhile, second language acquisition occurs if the child has learned another language, so he is get or acquire other language. Example, the child has learned first language, so he using Indonesian language. So he is learning another language. Example, English language, so Arabic language, etc. That he is acquire second language. For the fourth is what the factor that influence the language acquisition process. First is the home environment. In their daily life, children spend half the day doing activities in the home environment, and other half of the day doing activities in the environment, be it the play environment or the school environment. So, the second, the factors that influence acquire language in children or in humans, that school environment. The school environment is an important for acquiring language because the school is place the child for getting knowledge and education. Because in the school environment, the children can communicate with the friends, so with the teachers, so that can improve the acquired language in children. The third is the playing environment. A play environment is an environment that children use to spend part of the day in a group with other children their age. The situation and condition of the playing environment vary, and what is most visible is the type of interaction that occurs. This can speed up language development in children. Maybe enough until here. Thanks for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.